Hi there, students. Shortcomings or shortcoming. Okay, a noun. It's nearly always used in the plural, but it could be used in the singular. Let's see, a shortcoming is a deficiency. Something that's not perfect, a fault or a failure to reach a particular standard. So we all have our shortcomings. Yeah, even me. I'm a great cook, I'm a really good teacher, I'm a nice guy, but I do have my shortcomings. I'm unbelievably untidy. Yeah? Okay, so that's one of my shortcomings. Let's see. All political systems have their shortcomings. They're good at some things, but they have defects as well. So whatever her shortcomings as a mother, she always took good care of her children. Yeah? So shortcomings, mistakes, a fault of someone or a system or something. The business has its shortcomings. It doesn't have enough financing and we don't have enough staff. Yeah, these are its shortcomings. Almost every job has its shortcomings. Generally, it's not paid enough. Yeah, or maybe it's boring or something like that. And these are shortcomings. So your essay is really good in some places, but it does have its shortcomings. You have terrible problems with definite and indefinite articles. His lack of attention to detail is his biggest shortcoming. Yeah. This computer works quite well, but it does have its shortcomings. It's not going to be good for playing games. Let's see, these COVID vaccines, I think they have their shortcomings. Firstly, many people don't feel well after them, and they don't provide 100% immunity to the virus. Okay, so these are shortcomings. Yeah, it's like you come short of the required standard. You don't meet the required standard. Yeah, so a shortcoming, a deficiency or a flaw, a failing, a defect. Yeah, his article is very good, but it does have its shortcomings. It doesn't describe some areas in enough detail. Drawback, its frailty, its weak points, yeah, its defects. Okay, so these are shortcomings. So yeah, we all have shortcomings, as I said. So what are your shortcomings? No, you don't have to put them here. Yeah, the system works pretty well generally, but it has a number of shortcomings. I don't know, maybe this law works quite well in certain circumstances, but it has various shortcomings. Yeah? So it's just something in a system that doesn't work, that it should cover. Yeah? This car, it's a great car. It goes really fast. It's got great acceleration. But one of its shortcomings is the fact that it uses a lot of fuel. Yeah, it's a gas guzzler. Yeah, a shortcoming. The English lesson was very interesting, but it did have its shortcomings. Yeah, maybe it wasn't long enough, or it didn't cover the grammar properly. So, I don't know, live streams are really good for teaching people, but they do have their shortcomings. You may have connection problems, or maybe you get too many people who connect at the same time, or it's not easy to ask questions. Yeah, so shortcomings, failures. Yeah, you fall short of a required standard or what is expected. Okay, so formality. I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, and the origin, well, something comes short, it arrives short. Short has the idea of not being enough. It's a deficiency. Yeah, something that could be improved, could be better. So, I wonder what the shortcomings of this video were. You'll probably tell me afterwards. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Shortcomings, normally plural.